Want to see your Wi-Fi password without scanning a QR code? Here's the easiest way. Go to your phone settings, then tap on Connections and open Wi-Fi. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner and open Advanced Setting. Next, tab on Manage Networks and select your connected Wi-Fi. Here, you'll see a password section with an eye/icon. Tap on the eye/icon, verify your identity using your fingerprint or password, and instantly your Wi-Fi password will be revealed. And that's it now. You can view your Wi-Fi password anytime without using a QR code. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Pixel and Pod for more smart mobile tips.